We are Farmerce by Shrieker, Sid, Varun, and Om. So with the loosening of COVID-19 restrictions and the start of farmers market across the nation, we really wanted to come up with a method to connect vendors and customers so that customers can still get the farmers market experience while reducing the risk of exposure of COVID-19. So what we decided to make was a platform that connects the two, that connects the vendors to users. So it offers a few features, such as plant disease detection using Keras, TensorFlow, and CNNs. So what this will do is that viewers or customers can scan plants and produce and to see if they have a disease or not, while keeping the distance and not actually having to physically touch the product. We have the option of view vendors at a farmer's market. People can add vendors if they're going to be at the farmer's market. So this includes information such as their name, contact info, like produce methods, and items and things like that. And we also have the option to view local farmer market.
Well, you might ask, how did we build it? So we utilized Flask as a micro framework to be able to integrate our Python scripts into a web application. We used MongoDB as our database, and also used Keras, scikit-learn, convolutional neural network for detecting diseases in plants, for different various features in our application. In addition to this, since we were using Flask, we use HTML and CSS for our front end of our web application. Let's show you how the app works.
Here's our Farmerce application. We're currently hosting it at an ngrok.io link just to show you guys the application action. So Farmerce, replanting the way farmers market at the farmers market. Farmerce is an online platform that connects vendors at local farmers markets to their customers. So here are the various features we have for our application, as you can see. So to start off, we can actually view our vendors. So there's a couple of example vendors we've placed already in our MongoDB where we stored our data. So I'll just go ahead and show you how that works briefly. So if you wish to view some of the different products a certain vendor might have, you can go ahead and view the various posts. For all the posts available, you're able to see the different details in regards to what products they sell, such as, for example, David's Market, we're able to see whether they sell organic products, if chemicals are used, and if it's expensive or not. So you can see that for most of these, some information not provided, while over here, we can see that this is actually the most expensive food. So let's go ahead and see more details. We can actually click on these cards and see more details. So let's check out David's Market, for example. So here we can see that not just is it organic and expensive, but it's also sustainable, and he has received USDA approval. And you can also see this contact information, the items available, and descriptions, and this is an example post. And then if I go over here, you can see another example of data that's being showed that we've created previously. But if let's say a farmer wanted to add their own post, right, all they would have to do is go back to the homepage and click on New Vendor. And so, as a new vendor, all I have to do is enter my business name. So I'll just call my thing Mango Farms. I'll say, we sell lots of mangoes. Please contact us for bulk product purchases. I'll say items available, grapes. Sorry, actually it's mangoes. How expensive? Cheap. Was it organic? Yes. Sustainable? Yes. No chemicals. Yes, I have. I'll say example@example.com. Image link. I'll just submit. So once we submit, we can see that the page rendered. And if we go down, we can actually see that our new post showed up. And it's on the right side. It has the same image that we posted the link of. And it has all the details we entered previously. So now to our other features. So we can also see actually plant detection and see our local farmers market. So by clicking farmers market, we're able to see, using Google's search engine, we're able to see the farmers market near us and purchase based on the locations. And if we go back, we can also use the plant detection feature, which allows you to send a file of a plant to see if there's a disease or not. So briefly, just upload it easily like this. Then we can go ahead and send for results. And as we can see, there's a result outcome that comes up that says 97% sure that there is a disease, which is very, and this is really helpful, especially for people who are trying to ensure that the produce they're getting is indeed good, and also detect any issues there might be in their produce. Additionally, this safeguard is used when uploading pictures, so all these images here, they ensure that whatever the pictures are shown are of indeed healthy produce. Otherwise, it would not allow that individual to upload the pictures of their foods.
Some challenges we faced while developing this project are image detection of plant diseases, version control, time zone differences, and front-end design. Our future plans for this project include making a responsive front-end, better UI because of the time restrictions we dealt with, and QR codes. Thank you for listening to our project.